A fungus that eats plastic actually exists.
Scientists discovered it deep inside the Amazon rainforest.
In Ecuador's Yasuni National Park, Yale University researchers found it in 2011. It's called Pestaloteuopsis microspora. This fungus survives by eating polyurethane plastic. Polyurethane is used in foams, insulation, and adhesives. Even more shocking, it works without oxygen. The fungus releases special enzymes that break plastic's chemical bonds,
turning plastic into natural, organic matter.
This could help clean landfills and ocean waste. But it's not a quick fix.
Nature offers hope, but reducing plastic is still essential.
This fungus is promising, but reducing plastic use is still the real solution.